Hi everyone and welcome back. So Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 was recently spotted on FCC database, and according to that information, we have the model numbers for Galaxy Watch 6. 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 will be having a model number SMR 930, and the 44mm Galaxy Watch 6 will be having the SMR 940 model number. Also, according to FCC, these smartwatches will be having Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GNSS, just like the Galaxy Watch 5, and also here's the model number for the wireless charger that will be coming inside the box. Further, we have some information regarding battery capacities of upcoming Galaxy watches, and I was a bit disappointed to see them. Galaxy Watch 6 40mm and 6 Classic 42mm will be having 300 mAh battery, while 44mm and 46mm Classic models will be having 425 mAh battery. Well, this is a lot less as compared to 590 mAh present on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Samsung has to work really hard with software and new processor to make this smartwatch perform really well and better than Galaxy Watch 5. Rest, we have same 10W charging speed with Galaxy Watch 6, just like Galaxy Watch 5. Anyways, we had to wait a bit more for any new information regarding battery life, but hopefully Samsung will optimize this new Exynos W980 processor so it can give better battery life without needing to charge it every second day. Due to the addition of rotating mechanical bezel, Samsung had to reduce the weight of the smartwatch, and they did that by reducing the battery size. Further, one UI beta program for Galaxy Watch has also started, where many new features can be seen, like no need to reset your watch whenever you want to pair it to a new phone. This watch transfer feature was really needed, and I'm glad it's here. Apart from that, we have new charging animations and few apps. The total update size was around 1.6 GB, so it's a huge update that will be available to Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 5 later this year with Galaxy Watch 6. I'm waiting for the beta update to arrive on my Galaxy Watch. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you never miss any update. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.